There are multiple Zach Wilson reports out there. Number one was that the Jets want to go back to him as a starting quarterback, but he's hesitant to do so. Okay, that's one reporter. Robert Saleh says Zach Wilson wants the ball. Okay. But then there's another reporter, a different one, that said Aaron Rodgers talked to Zach Wilson to try to convince him to play again, but Wilson expressed some hesitancy because of potential injury. Let me just tell you right now, guys, it's over for Zach Wilson. It's over for him as a starting quarterback in the NFL. He was already going to be very questionable to ever start another game. Now I would be very surprised. Forget the Jets the rest of this year. But moving forward with another franchise, very surprised if Zach Wilson ever gets a chance to start again. Perception